All right, so we have to, whoa, let me go backwards. I didn't know it was going to run through automatically. There's another way for me to tell front and back, and that is this. The ventral horns don't come close to touching the edge of the white matter. They're not even close. The dorsal horns almost touch the edge, and that little line is part of the dorsal horn. That little line is part of the dorsal horn. In addition, my anterior median fissure is deep, but my posterior median sulcus is shallow. So this is the back, this is the front. That makes that an anterior horn, a lateral horn, a posterior horn. You can say ventral, lateral, and dorsal as well. Ventral, lateral, and dorsal. That makes that the central canal. That makes that the anterior column, lateral column, posterior column, lateral column, anterior column. This is the dura mater. This is the arachnoid mater. I cannot see the pia mater. The pia mater tightly adheres to the spinal cord. Tightly. Follows all of its contours. So the pia mater would even dip into the fissure. Tightly adheres to it, follows all its contours. Same in the brain. So this is dura mater, and that's arachnoid mater. Okay. I know I didn't cover everything yet, but I'll get to it. Nothing new there, except for just turn. Same picture turned. And by the way, just in case you're doubting my other way of orienting, notice how my dorsal horn, or my posterior horn, almost touches the edge of the white matter. And my ventral horn is pretty short, never doesn't even come close to it. That's how I oriented that up there. Okay. So nothing new here, but let's go to the next picture. I'll show you the dorsal root ganglia. Okay, this is just showing you a multipolar neuron. That's all that's showing you. That's just a neuron. I can see the nucleus. But that's about all I can see. Oh, I can see dendrites, dendrite, axon. That's a neuron. That's all that is. This is probably the dorsal root ganglia, but I would not ask from a picture like this because you can't tell. The reason I say that is because these look like soma to me. They look like soma, so I'm saying this is a ganglia. But I would not ask the dorsal root ganglia from this picture. I'm actually guessing, to be honest. I'm speculating. And again, I'm speculating on that. That's just the same picture blown up. That's the same picture blown up.
Yeah, it said spinal ganglia.
Did it?
No.
Okay, I'm looking for the way I would ask it to of you. By the way, that's another neuron right there. Another neuron. Ooh, now we're getting close. That's the eye. That's the retina too. Oh, I don't have it. Okay, let me do this. Let me